2 quadcopters and 2 transmitters like this one here. I only brought one today, but it has an advertised range of 70 meters and it takes 80 minutes to charge, and it has an advertised flight time of 10 minutes. It has a 220 milliamp battery, removable, but I cut the battery doors to allow the connection wires outside so I can just connect it before a flight. The transmitter, interestingly, does not have any trim buttons, but you can calibrate by moving the sticks down and to the far corners. The left button is the speed switch, in which you have 3 speeds, and the right bumper button is the battle switch, in which you can shoot infrared rays, and right there, I guess that will be the infrared shooter there, and that will be, that little black thing will be the infrared receiver, I'm assuming. So when you're in flight, you can fly both of these with somebody else, and you can shoot by pressing this one towards the other one, and if you hit the drone opposite your opponent's drone first and the second hit, the drone will make a turn, and the third hit will make the drone do a flip, and the fourth hit would make the opponent's drone land. So it's pretty fun if you have somebody else to play with. So let's check out the flight. Okay, we got the black one bounded already, and let's see. All right, taking off. Starting off in the low mode. Oh, pretty decent. Not much of a pitch, but the yaw is pretty good. Let's go to mid rates. A little better pitch, and the yaw is almost the same. Okay, let's go to high. I think the yaw got a tiny bit better. The pitch got a lot better, but it drops in altitude when I make a turn. Well, not that time. That was pretty good. I'm at full throttle. So another drone that has weight to power ratio here, but it flies pretty decent. There you go. It's not dropping anymore. Okay. It has an advertised range of 100 meters. So let's send it out. Yep. Looks like it has the distance. Uh-oh. 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 Fly away. Okay, we got the white one bounded. The black one flew away from me. I'm not about to go into that area to look for it. It's a tiny little quadcopter, so I won't be doing any firing of the infrared onto each other, I guess. So let's check out the white one here. Yeah, your brother got lost in the bushes. All right, going too high. Let's not go too far with this one too. Oh, geez. So be careful, people, when you get this drone. You don't want to fly it too far or fly it in a confined indoor place. It flies away. Yeah, so let's keep it at around 30-40 meters. Don't want it just flying away. Pretty decent, y'all. Nice funnels, I would say. Pretty decent little toy. Let's do some flips. Whoa, it does multiple flips, I'm assuming. Okay, did 2 flips that time. Yep, do 2 flips at a time, this one. Back flip. Okay, did 1. Okay, after you push the flip, automatic flip button, just direct it just once and really quick and let go. If you hold on to the pitch stick, it will do multiple flips. Nice though. What the? Another flyaway. Jeez. Oh, it lost its orientation. The gyros got all messed up by doing those flips, and it just took off.